Hey, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Today we're gonna have an amazing time. I have a guest chef coming, my buddy Patrick. I called him up and I told him, hey, I got a lot of ingredients, let's throw it down today. Invited him for dinner, my wife and her friend, and we're just gonna have an amazing time throwing together some dishes and enjoying each other's company. I always love cooking with another chef because we just bounce ideas off of each other and then we just go with it. And I don't have a dish by dish recipe or recap because this is just a fast video that we were doing on the fly, and I was just scanning and talking and then just enjoying our company. I didn't want to be sitting there filming the whole time and taking up all our time filming. I also wanted to enjoy having some amazing conversation. Anyway, come along with us and let's have some fun, and we'll show you what we threw down for our guests. It was an amazing ride, and we had an amazing culinary experience. We had a great time. Shout out to my buddy Patrick. He's an amazing chef. We had a blast. It was great. So for starters, I just stopped by the store on the way coming home, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm buying more stuff. And for starters, we did some fresh guacamole and chips. We did bacon wrapped jalapeno with cream cheese for an appetizer. We did caprese salad, and we did calamari with mayo sweet chili sauce. For entrees, we did cremini mushrooms sauteed in some butter and herbs and a little demi sauce. Came out awesome. Then we did some smoked corn. I shucked the corn and we seasoned the corn, sauteed the corn in butter and seasoning, and that was amazing too. Then we smoked some baby bell peppers and grilled some asparagus. Then we did some amazing ribeyes on the smoker, then on the grill, and finished in the oven with some fresh chimichurri sauce. And one of my favorites, we did some Tahitian scallops. Love those. And then we did Chef Patrick's famous scallop potatoes. Awesome. All this food was just for 4 people, but we threw it down and had an amazing time. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just gonna put it up, and because I enjoyed it immensely. It was an amazing night and had a lot of fun. So I'm starting it off, some tomato mozz, some fresh basil, some balsamic drizzle. We ready to go. There we go. All right, we have a guest chef, Patrick here, one of my buddies. Amazing chef we're throwing down today. We're doing what are we doing, chef?
These are Asiago scallop potatoes to go with this beautiful ribeye that we've got going on, and all these fresh veggies, and got a nice caprese salad that you made, of course. And we're going to do some seared scallops here with a little Tahitian coconut cream. So these are great. These are the best. These are made. I learned these from Tony Cherney, who worked with Paul Bocuse in his restaurant. They always did scallop potatoes this way, and every time I do them, there's none left. It's like Christmas in your mouth. So it's just, heavy cream. No fat at all in this. But they're so good. They're so yummy. Awesome. And Asiago, which is like a spicy Parmesan. So it's really what you want with your scallop potatoes, the perfect blend. And like I said, everybody raves over them. There's never any left. And if you do have any left, you just puree them into your soup, like a roasted garlic soup. This is banging inside of a soup. And I want a pan in there.
Yes, we got the smoker going.
Oh, yeah.
Real low and slow.
This is the magic, baby. Come on.
Some multicolored bell peppers. And we're doing some corn on the cob.
Okay. So
we did some nice garlic confit oil. Some salt and pepper and herbs. We're just getting a little bit of smoke on them before we cook them.
Lord, this is great.
Awesome.
Man.
Bullseye right there.
Man.
Throwing it down.
You have any soda water? They ate it. They loved it. It's like, what? I didn't even get any of it. It's like, come on, man.
Banging out some tempura for calamari. Little LaCroix lemon.
Usually I would just use a little bit of buttermilk and some little flavored cake flour or Wonder Flour. Very light, with some seasoning in there. You could use Old Bay or whatever. And then flash them for like less than 60 seconds for a perfect tempura or a perfect calamari. Squeeze a lemon, maybe a pinch of salt or seasoning. Oh my gosh. Nothing better than that. It's kind of bland. Let's give it a little flavor, shall we?
Flavor is good.
because you're not going to use flour, so you've got to have some seasoning. So, you know, you got that avocado, beautiful, but or a nice aioli is always good. Maybe a little more salt. Okay. So you got to have something in there. Then I hit a lemon afterward. It's all done. That'll be good.
Fresh calamari and a sweet chili mayo. Can't go wrong there. Another throwdown.
Come on, man. Yum. Yum. Come get some.
Bacon wrapped jalapenos with cream cheese.
Come on, you cannot go wrong with that. I don't care who you are.
In the smoker.
Right? No, seriously, this is the best way to eat these. Because they're not smoked. I don't care if the bacon is smoked. When you buy them in the store, they're not smoked. So you're just adding flavor, man.
Awesome. Look at that. Finished product.
Well, let me give me a shot there. Come on.
Yeah. We got the steaks
Beautiful.
going on next.
Come on, man.
Got portobello mushrooms. Well,
Everybody likes their
creminis.
steak pink, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
We got creminis with butter, garlic working. I got sauce working for the scallops. And we got
This is so much fun.
smoked corn that we're gonna cook with some butter and garlic. Got beautiful potatoes. And we got the ribeyes done. Gonna put a little chimichurri sauce on it when we're ready to eat. We got the grilled veg done.
Test, test, 1, 2, 3. We're live. All right, we're here at Chef Dave's tonight for just normal Friday night dinner here at the house. We've got some sauteed mushrooms, some creminis and white wine, garlic, a little bit of demi-glaze, veal demi, some corn on the cob, a little bit in the smoker, a little bit of butter, just simple seasoning, sauteed off the cob, a little bit of white wine and butter, some grilled asparagus, smoked peppers, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, chimichurri with our steaks tonight. We've got these in the smoker, some beautiful ribeyes tonight. We're gonna keep it simple. We don't wanna marinate these, nothing, because it's a good steak. Salt, pepper, white wine in the smoker for maybe 20 minutes or so, and then into the smoker. Perfect medium, medium rare. Scallops. Man, look at those. Those are beautiful. Beautiful Tunisian coconut sauce, seared perfectly. Super hot right now. And at the end, our starch tonight is a scallop potato, Asiago scallop potatoes, a little bit of nutmeg, not white wine, I'm sorry, cream, sour cream, nutmeg, fresh grated nutmeg. So we're gonna eat good tonight. Chimichurri for the steak, just to top it off. It's gonna be great. A little bit of green garnish there on everything just to make it look good. Come on, we're gonna eat good tonight, man. All right, yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see what we do on the next one. Thank you, and aloha. Have a great day.